Hey there, today we're going to look at how to set up a formula column to change currency in monday.com. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to monday.com. Over here, look at the upper right corner and click on the login button. After that, you can either sign in with Google or type in your email address. Then, if you select Google, choose the email linked with your account. Once you're logged in, go to the board you want to work with. Over here, make sure you have a column with the original currency value and another column with the exchange rate. After that, click the plus sign next to the last column and add a numbers column. Then add another numbers column for the exchange rate. Once done, rename both of these columns as needed. Then click the plus sign again and select the formula column. Over here, input your formula by multiplying the amount column with the exchange rate column. You can also use concatenate to add a currency symbol like the pound sign. After that, click on set formula to apply it. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next